So in the previous example, in the previous video, we did see how to solve this in Excel. So we did find out the line of regression. To find the line of regression, we can also select data analysis, select regression, and then just put the values of y, the x values. Okay, we have selected the labels also. So output range, where do you want the output come? I want the output to come over here. Okay, so we got a very complicated output that is coming, but we are interested in only this much. Intercept is 23.20. The coefficient of x is 3.58. So you can just go ahead and just clarify whether your answer is correct or not from here. Let's go and see how to get the line of regression in Weka. So you got to actually open the file. You have to open the ARFF file. So first you got to create the ARFF file. The ARFF file, the Excel file that you had, we have just created an ARFF file for the same, and this is how the structure of ARFF file looks like. The same data is put out here as well. In Excel, you got to go to classify, and then you go and choose from functions linear regression and say start. Now you can see that we have got the line of regression out here. 23.209 is the intercept and the coefficient is 3.5. Thank you.